How to redeem DoorDash gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about redeeming the gift card online on DoorDash. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of your preferred web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and then after go to DoorDash.com. Simply type in DoorDash.com in the top search bar on your Google Chrome web browser and hit enter in your keyboard. Then this will take you to the official website of DoorDash, where you have to simply go ahead and click on sign in if you already have an account and provide your credentials in order to successfully sign into your account. And if you do not have an account yet, simply go ahead and click on sign up in order to successfully sign up for a new DoorDash account. Now simply scroll the page all the way down and locate and click on the gift cards option that is just below the merchant block. Click on it. Then this will take you to a whole new interface from where you can simply go ahead and buy a gift card. You can customize your gift card and then after click on buy gift card option. For this, you have to sign in or you can also continue as a guest. In order to buy your DoorDash gift card, first of all, set the value and remember that the USD gift cards are only valid in the US. Now select the delivery option, that is email, text message or mail, and type in the recipient name in this first field. Then after, simply go ahead and type in the recipient email, and then you can also write a gift message to them. After that, type in the sender name, that is your name, and you can also adjust the date over here. Then click on continue. So if you'd like to redeem the gift card instead of buying it, first of all, you have to create an account or sign in the DoorDash app or on the www.doordash.com as I mentioned earlier. And then you have to navigate to the account section, then go to credits and gift cards section. And if you purchased a physical gift card, be sure to scratch off the foil. Then simply go ahead and enter the correct form of your gift card PIN and simply hit on redeem. This way, you can successfully redeem a gift card online on DoorDash. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.